How to save files on computer. Click on this icon that you can see at top left corner of your screen. Click on the option Save As. Now you'll be able to save the file. Go to the destination of your choice. For example, I'm just going to go to the desktop. You can also click on the folder where you would like to save the file. Click on the folder file name. You can edit the file name over here. Click on the field of Save As type. You'll be able to see various types of file that you can save. Click on the option of your choice. Now you can add the author. You can also add a tag over here. You can also choose if you would like to save the thumbnail or not. Click on the option Save that you can see on the screen. Wait for a while. Once you do that, you can go to the destination where you saved the file. You can see over here the file has been saved. Like this, you can save files on computer. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.